Hey my angels, today I'm doing a very cozy sit down life update and I feel like I'm finally ready to be letting you guys into my life. I haven't really let you guys into my life for the past year, I feel like. So I do have a lot of things that I want to touch on. It's just because I feel like I've been hiding it for so long. I wanted to come out and tell you guys about everything that's been going on in my life because I really haven't had any time to really chit chat with you guys, let you know what's actually going on an everyday basis with me. So first thing I want to touch on, yes, I did move. I moved out to Los Angeles, California. No, I didn't live in Los Angeles, like in the heart of LA, Hollywood area. I've been like on the outsides of LA, but not actually here, dead center, which is crazy to me. I am so grateful to be here. God has honestly blessed me with such amazing supporters like you guys and an amazing family and friends, and I just wanted to take a moment to thank you guys for all of your love and support, because if it wasn't for all your love and support, I wouldn't have been able to come here to LA. And before some of you guys start to think that I'm becoming one of those LA YouTubers, one of those YouTubers that comes to LA just to mess around and just say, hey, I live in LA. And my move to LA wasn't strictly because of YouTube. It is honestly because I want to expand my career in different fields, and I feel like this is the place where I've always wanted to be. I wanted to move to LA since I was a little girl. I knew that one day I would live here. It's always just been a big goal of mine, and I'm here. I reached it, and I honestly didn't really think that this is the age that I would be moving, because I moved when I was 19 years old. I did move a few months back, but I just didn't tell you guys just because I personally did not feel ready. I felt like that was a very personal thing for me to share with you guys. But from several of my recent videos and on my vlog channel, you guys may have seen that I am in a different space, and I just thought, okay, a lot of them already know. Also, I've been getting tons of comments saying, did you move? Where are you? And I know some of you may be thinking that I'm seeming a little bit over dramatic. And honestly, it's because not all of us want to share every single thing that's going on in our life. Yes, us YouTubers do put ourselves out there and our lives out there for your guys' entertainment, but some things people do want to keep privately. But I'm very ready for you guys to be able to go on this journey with me. I want to be able to show you guys an empty apartment tour when I'm moving again. I want to show you guys all of that stuff. Like, I really want to be able to grow up with you guys on YouTube, and many of you have been watching me since 2011 when I first started this channel, which is insane. And I've literally grown up with you guys. I just took this as my chance to let you guys in closer to my life and be able to see me actually grow up and do those adult things like moving out. So with that said, I do want to do an empty apartment tour. Yes, I had been here for a little while, not too long, nothing crazy, but I still haven't like gotten around to decorating crazily how I wanted to. I do have like a couch, a TV, and you know, things like that, but I haven't decorated full on. That's what I'm going to be doing this weekend. So tomorrow I will be filming my empty apartment tour, even though I do have like a tiny bit of things. So now that that's out of the way, I'm so glad that I finally got to tell you guys that, because I've been wanting to tell you forever. But like I said, now I'm finally ready, and I'm so excited for you guys to be here in my new little chapter. And number two, yes, I do have a boyfriend, and if you guys follow me on Instagram, you would have known that. I posted a picture with him before, and I also do post some stories with him. He also does have a YouTube channel, and I do tons of fun videos on there, which brings me to point number 3. So I've been finding that, yes, I do still love makeup, but I feel as if I want to kind of get out of that comfort zone of makeup. I want to show you guys my real personality. Not that I'm not showing you guys my real personality. When I tell you I'm a goofy person, I can't even stress to you guys. If you guys want a little bit of a bigger taste of how I actually am on a daily basis, click the link down below. You guys will get a little feel of it. And I want to bring my real personality to this channel. I want to do challenges. I want to do funny videos. I want to do like public embarrassing things. I don't want to just be known as a beauty fashion girl. I also want to be doing some fun things. I feel like since I've been strictly doing like fashion and makeup videos, you guys don't really get to see my bubbly self. I'm normally just like, okay, eyeshadow, lashes, okay, we're good, goodbye, see you guys in the next video. But like I said, click down below to get a little feel of what my channel is going to become. I am just really excited to be changing up my channel. I still am going to be doing makeup videos. I feel like I kind of want to lean into just doing like 1 or 2 makeup videos a month. So having said that, let me know in the comments down below if you guys have any particular funny videos you guys want me to do, some dares, some pranks, all that good stuff, some challenges. It would be so amazing if you guys would be down to see all of that type of stuff. But that's pretty much everything that I wanted to tell you guys. That's my life update. I moved, I have a man, and I am secretly a funny weirdo, and I want to start making videos to portray that instead of me just being a boring robot. I feel like an elephant has been lifted off my chest, if I'm being completely honest. Also, I do have a lot of vlogs on my Keeping Up with Aidette vlog channel. Always linked it down below if you guys want to check that out. I am posting a lot more often. I'm trying to post at least like once or twice a week on my vlog channel, and I'm gonna try to post like 1 to 2 times on my main channel right here. But as always, thank you guys so much for watching and understanding. I love you guys to the moon and back, and I will talk to you guys in my next video.